Hey everyone! In this video we're going to learn how to move your cryptocurrency from Binance over to your Trust wallet. This is super useful if you want to store your crypto securely or use it with decentralized applications. Don't worry, it's actually a pretty straightforward process. Just follow these easy steps, and you'll be transferring crypto like a pro in no time. First things first, make sure you have both Binance and Trust wallet accounts set up. If you don't, no worries. I have other videos on my channel that can walk you through the process. Once you're all set up, we can get started with moving your crypto. Alright, the first thing we need to do is grab your Trust wallet address. This is like your crypto home address where Binance will send your coins. Open up your Trust wallet app and tap on the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Let's say you want to transfer Bitcoin. Tap on Bitcoin. Now you'll see a button that says Receive. Tap on that. You'll see a long string of letters and numbers. That's your Trust wallet address for Bitcoin. You can either copy it directly or scan the QR code if you're on your computer. It's important to double check that you've copied the correct address to avoid any mistakes. Now let's head over to Binance. Log into your account and go to your wallet. You'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies you hold on Binance. Find the cryptocurrency you want to transfer to your Trust wallet and click on Withdraw. This will take you to the withdrawal page. Here, you'll need to enter some details about your transaction. Section 4. Entering the right information. First, choose the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. Then, you'll need to paste the Trust wallet address that you copied earlier into the recipient's address field. Make sure you select the correct network for your transfer. Next, enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Binance will show you the transaction fee and the final amount you'll receive in your Trust wallet. Double-check all the details before you proceed. Section 5. Checking your Trust wallet. Once you're happy with everything, click on Submit. You'll be asked to confirm the transaction using your two-factor authentication method. Once you confirm, Binance will process your withdrawal. This might take a few minutes depending on the network traffic. You can track the status of your transaction on Binance. Once it's confirmed, you should see the cryptocurrency in your Trust wallet. And that's it. You've successfully transferred cryptocurrency from Binance to your Trust wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more easy-to-follow crypto guides.